Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick walkthrough video showing everyone how you can use the templates provided in the class, be it Word or Excel, how to save a copy for yourself, how to edit a copy for yourself, and how to share so that you could submit these projects for grading. So there's a couple of things that kind of factor into how this goes for you. So one of them being whether or not you're logged in. So when we go over to Mom, you'll see that there's a how to access Microsoft products. So this is just a link, a Sanjack link, and it's going to walk you through how to access, how to sign in, all this stuff. If you want to download it, how you can download all the Microsoft products onto your machine, or if you want to use it on mobile, say your iPad, or if you have an Android product, whatever. So that's the first step, is like making sure you're logged in. And if you want to install the product, which I highly, highly recommend, then go ahead and do that. So once you have that all set up, let's say you wanted to open up Excel for chapters 1 and 2. When you click on this link, what's happening is it's taking you to my copy. So this is a template that I'm going to use over and over again. So I don't want everybody in the class editing this copy. That would be insanity. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go over to File on the top left corner. You want to go to Save As, and then you want to go to Download a Copy. So again, let's say I just want to save it to my desktop. I always encourage you to name it. So I'll usually name it like I already have Excel as a software on my machine. If you also have Excel as a software on your machine, then what would happen is when you open up your file, so if you went to your file manager, it's in my desktop folder, I would see this, and I could double click it and it would open in Excel. It's not that one, there it is. And so usually you'll have a yellow banner at top and you'll just have to click enable editing. Fine, great. So now this is my own personal copy. If I wanted to enter, let's say, data in from a problem, from Mom or whatever, then like, right, so frequency distribution table. Okay, cool. So I could do all this stuff, right? And this is great. So if I wanted for some reason to share this, you know, if I wanted to submit this to Mom, notice that I'm already logged in here. I'm logged into my San Jacinto account. So now when I go click share, it should give me the option to save it to OneDrive. And I would just click copy link. And now I can, you know, if there's like a text field, or if I want to email it and say like, hey, professor, like, can you look at my Excel sheet? It's acting funny, or like, this is what I did. I can't edit it, whatever. You can share this link. And then that way, when I receive it, I can just click on the link and I'll be in your file. We can both work on the same file together, right? So that's sharing. If for some, or if you don't have Excel saved on your computer, like as a software, let me get rid of all this junk on. What you would do, like let's say you want to open it up on the web. So what you could do is you could go to, so much stuff open. You can go to office.com. So office.com. Okay, you might be prompted to log in. You probably will be, but everything's kind of saved on my machine. So if you go to office.com, it'll say sign in. You're going to want to sign in with your Sanjack email and password, just like that first like how-to thing I showed you. It goes through all that. And now what you can do is your page will probably be white, but you can change it to black. There's an upload button here. So if I've downloaded my Excel sheet from Mom, I don't have Excel on my machine. So I want to run it off the browser. So if I go to upload, it should prompt me to open my file explorer, and I know where I saved it. Maybe it's in downloads. I saved mine to desktop. So I would just click this guy and then I would click open. So now what this is doing is it's going to upload it to my web version of Microsoft, essentially. And look what's happening. Wow. So now I can go ahead and edit this guy right here on the web. I don't need to have Excel on my machine. I can just do it on the browser. So, okay, blah, 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 things and stuff and numbers and good times. Yeah. So I can like edit this and, you know, what else? Oh, okay, better. Yeah. So now if I wanted to share this, it's really the same. I go to my share button and then copy link, copy. And now if I need to send it in a DM, send it in an email, if I need to submit it to mom for grading, I have that link there. So that's how you're going to get your own copy of a template. The same exact thing goes for a Word document, you know, for chapter projects and things of that nature. I highly, highly recommend that you install the software on your machine if you can. So if you have any questions, send me an email and I will do my best to answer them. That's it.